So here's how you can hide a chat in WhatsApp, but without the archiving feature. So let me show you how you can do it. If it's your first time being here on this channel, definitely subscribe for more tips and let's get started. So essentially you open up the WhatsApp app as usual and you just need to find the message thread which you want to hide but not put into the archive folder. And the ideal way to do exactly that would be by holding down the specific message thread or conversation and tapping on the three dots at the top. And instead of like archiving the chat, what you can do is to lock it, right? So when you tap on lock the chat, it will be hidden away. It's going to tell you how exactly it functions. So you can tap on continue and you basically need a way to lock the chats, right? So you need to use some sort of features or whatever, but it will most definitely allow you to do it. And then the chat is going to be part of the locked folder. So you can access it, but you will have to authenticate yourself and it's going to be like slightly hidden away. You know, it's definitely not going to be part of the main chats list. So it's not going to be visible. No notifications are going to be delivered from that person. So I think that this is basically the best way to go about it, as you can easily just hide the chat and actually put it behind a lock, right? So nobody can really access it. Of course, if anything works slightly different than you can see right here, then you can of course make sure that you are running the latest version of the WhatsApp app as well as the general software of the phone, so you are on the same page and like the latest version of everything. But it should most definitely work. So let me know what really is going on in your case. Hit the thumbs up on the video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more and I'll catch you in the next tutorials as well.